Okay, ladies, so I am here with my niece, LaDasia, and we are going to show you two styles. However, her locks are traditional locks, my locks are sister locks, and we are just going to do two very quick styles so that you all could do whether you have traditional locks or sister locks. So, what we are going to do is we are finger parting our hair like just right in the middle, and then all we're gonna do is just like take the sides, kind of just comb it through, and we are going to create like just like a bun, right? So we are literally rolling our hair. So she is probably going a little bit faster because with traditional locks, as you could see, it's not as tedious versus sister locks. Like I was actually like really getting those smaller locks where it needed to be. So, I mean, she beat me to the game as far as how fast we were going, right? So we went ahead and made sure that we had like the first little bun done. And I also assisted her as well because her locks are larger than mine. So we had to like put in like her bobby pin in a different place. So then what we are going to do is we're just like rolling our hair. Again, it's in the bun, and she can go a little bit faster because her locks are a tad bit larger than mine. However, we're doing the same style on different types of locks, but and also on different lengths of hair as well. So all we are doing is just grabbing a bobby pin, and then what we did was we just rolled our hair to the sides and like literally like two quick buns. So what you could do is if you want to leave your hair where it's like two quick buns on the sides, then that's fine. However, what we did was we decided that we wanted to put our hair in a ponytail. So with her hair, again, it was struggling with the bobby pins, y'all. So we had to really like help each other out. But what we want you all to see is that you could still accomplish the same type of styles, even with traditional locks, which is what LaDasia has, and even with sister locks. So we literally have like the same style. However, of course, it's obvious that her hair is longer than my hair, but this is a quick, professional, easy style. Now, the second style that we are doing is we are leaving out like a couple locks for me on the side. So I left out like two locks on each side of my hair, and she's leaving out one lock. And then what we are doing is just we are creating like a ponytail on the top, like a nice little bun on the top. So again, her hair, a breeze. Like it was so easy for her to put her hair up versus my hair. It took a little more time because I had to do more finger combing so that my hair could get like into the ponytail up top. But as you could see, like her ponytail was already finished, right? So the next thing is initially we were like styling our hair the same as far as like bun wise. Like she was doing a different type of bun for her hair and I was doing another bun. So what we decided to do was like kind of just bun our hair like the same way up top. So my method and her method was a tad bit different. However, when she started doing her bun, it took her a little more time because she had more hair to put in place. Does that make sense? However, if she were to do her bun a different way, it still would have taken less time for her because her hair is longer and she doesn't have to like mess around with as many locks. However, what we wanted you all to get from this is that you could still do the same styles with traditional locks and with sister locks. However, what I noticed is with my style, it took a little longer because I had so many locks that I had to maneuver with. And then with her hair, she didn't have as many locks. So it was really easier for her to do her hairstyles than for me for these particular locks. So here is how LaDasia's hair look. Again, she has traditional locks. I'm not sure how long she's been locked, probably like 5 years or something like that. And then here is a photo of my locks, which are sister locks. And then this is the side of my hair. So all we wanted to do was just show you all that these looks can be accomplished whether you have traditional locks or sister locks. So here I am I wanted to sport my hair outside of my parents' house because we all were just together as a family. And then, you know, it's always good just to be in the night or the, you know, sunset, right? So I'm just, you know, just looking to see how things are outside, and I just wanted to create a little B-roll for you all. So let me know in the comments below if you want more videos like this. And it was so nice doing these hairstyles with LaDeja, and thank you all for watching. Make sure that you subscribe because we'll have more inspiration and more styles coming soon. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye bye.